Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Solve, where we try to solve your tech-related queries. So today I am going to show you how to log into Bendigo Bank Australia. At first, open any web browser application on your device. After opening the web browser application, go to the search bar and search for bendigobank.com.au. Then it will lead you to the homepage of Bendigo Bank. At the top right corner, you will see the login button, and beside the login button, you will see the option that says eBanking. You can change it to share trading type of Bendigo Super. I'll choose eBanking. Then tap on the login button. After tapping, it will lead you to the Bendigo Bank login portal, where you will see the SS ID, where you have to write your SS ID. Then you can click on this Remember My SS ID, and if you click on Remember My SS ID, it will default save your SS ID when you are going to log in again. After writing the SS ID, tap on the next button. Then you will get the 6-digit code on your device. After writing the 6-digit code, tap on login or continue button. Then you will be successfully logged into the Bendigo Bank. That's all for today. Hope you liked our video, and stay tuned for our next video. And do not forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.